2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, a vehicle that combines the power of a legendary semi-truck with the comfort and sophistication of a high-end motorhome. If you've ever wanted to explore the open road without compromising on style or performance, this is the vehicle for you. Let's start with the exterior. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome keeps the iconic design of the classic W900 semi-truck, featuring that unmistakable long nose and chrome grille. The towering dual exhaust stacks and oversized side mirrors scream power and dominance, while the polished chrome accents on the bumpers and wheels add a touch of elegance. The sleek motorhome extension seamlessly integrates with the truck's rugged aesthetic, creating a cohesive and striking design. LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility, but also give this beast a modern and sophisticated edge. The massive all-terrain wheels are designed to handle any road condition, whether you're cruising on the highway or exploring off-road destinations. At the back, the motorhome portion is equipped with a fully functional storage area and additional lighting, ensuring convenience during nighttime stops. Step inside and you'll forget you're in a motorhome. It feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior features an expansive living area with top-quality materials like leather, wood, and brushed steel. The seating area is designed for ultimate comfort, with reclining chairs and a convertible sofa. The entertainment system includes a massive flat-screen TV, surround sound, and smart device integration. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a built-in dishwasher. Polished granite countertops and custom cabinetry make the space both functional and stylish. Moving to the bedroom, you'll find a king-size bed with premium linens and plenty of storage space. Overhead skylights let in natural light during the day and provide a view of the stars at night. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full-size shower, modern fixtures, and ample storage for toiletries. The driving cabin retains its semi-truck roots with plush leather seats, a high-tech dashboard, and advanced navigation systems. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is powered by a robust diesel engine paired with hybrid technology for enhanced fuel efficiency. With its advanced suspension and air ride system, the motorhome offers a smooth and stable ride, even on rough terrain. This vehicle is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves the open road and refuses to settle for less than the best. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more amazing vehicles like this. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.